If you've ever wondered how to get started with Telegram, or maybe you're just looking for a walkthrough of its essential features, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up your own Telegram account, confidently use all the core features, and even access Telegram from your computer wherever you are. Let's jump right in. First, we need to get your account set up. Begin by downloading the Telegram app from your device's app store. Whether you're on Android or iPhone, you'll find it easily by searching Telegram. Once it's installed, open the app and tap Start Messaging. This is where you'll enter your phone number. Be sure to include your country code. It's what allows Telegram to verify exactly where you're signing up from, and it ensures your account will be global if you travel or switch phones later on. After you put in your number, Telegram will send you a verification code via SMS. It might take a few seconds for that message to arrive, so don't worry if you're waiting a bit. Enter that code promptly. This helps keep your account secure so only you can access it. At this point, Telegram will ask for your first and last name, which helps contacts recognize you. You're free to adjust this later if you want to add a profile picture or a quirky display name. With your account ready, let's explore Telegram's core features, starting with messaging. Tap on the Chats tab at the bottom of the screen. To start a new conversation, just tap the pencil icon, which is Telegram's universal shortcut for new messages. Choose a contact you'd like to chat with and type your first message. Private chats on Telegram are end-to-end encrypted, so you know your conversations are secure. You can send text, photos, videos, or even files. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for messaging. Looking to chat with more than one person, Telegram's groups make it incredibly easy. Once again, tap the pencil icon, then select New Group. You'll see your contact list, and you can pick multiple friends or colleagues to add to this group. And here's something impressive. Telegram groups can host up to 200,000 members. So whether you're planning a small project or want a massive club or fan group, Telegram can handle it. But maybe you want to broadcast information instead of having a traditional group chat. That's where channels come in. Channels are perfect for sharing updates, news, or content with a large audience. You can join existing public channels, there's no member limit at all, or create your own channel to reach as many people as you wish. Telegram is also great for organizing conversations. If you make a typo or want to update something you've said, you can simply tap on your message and hit Edit. Edited messages will display as edited, so everyone knows it's been changed. Need to provide some context in a busy chat or group? Long press any message and tap Reply. This links your response directly to that specific message, keeping conversations tidy and helping everyone follow along. Sometimes words aren't enough or just too much. Telegram lets you react to messages with emojis. Tap a message and choose your favorite emoji reaction. It's a simple way to share your feelings or acknowledge someone without typing a reply. And if you want to grab someone's attention in a group, type @ followed by their username. This @mention is a great way to send a notification directly so they won't miss what you've said. Now, what if you want to use Telegram on your computer? You have two main options. First, there's the dedicated desktop app. Just download it for Windows, Mac, or Linux directly from Telegram's official website. Or if you prefer not to install anything, head to web.telegram.org in your browser for instant access. To log in safely, open the Telegram app on your phone, go to Settings, then Devices, and tap Link Desktop Device. You'll see a QR code on your computer. Scan it with your phone and you'll be instantly logged in securely. And that's it, you're now ready to use Telegram like a pro. If this walkthrough helped you, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.